Hello everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc. In today's video, I'll be addressing a common issue many iPhone users face: how to fix blurry videos sent from an iPhone. This can be quite frustrating, especially when you want to share high-quality videos with friends and family. Let's dive into why this happens and how you can solve it. First, let's clear up the confusion. The iPhone uses the same messaging app for both SMS messages and iMessage. SMS is a traditional text messaging service, while iMessage is an internet-based messaging service exclusive to Apple devices. When you share photos and videos with other iPhone users, the messages usually appear in blue bubbles, indicating that they're being sent through iMessage via the internet. This means the quality of the photos and videos is typically much higher. However, if you don't have an internet connection, or if you're sending a video to someone who doesn't use iMessage, say an Android user, the message bubbles will appear green. This indicates that the video is being sent through SMS or MMS, which uses the cellular network. Unfortunately, videos sent this way are heavily compressed, resulting in much lower quality. To fix this issue and ensure your videos are sent in high quality, consider using a third-party messaging app. Apps like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Viber, Telegram, and Signal all use the internet to send messages and media similar to iMessage. By using these apps, you can avoid the heavy compression that occurs with SMS and MMS, ensuring your videos remain clear and sharp. Another effective solution is to upload your video to a cloud service like iCloud, Google Drive, or Dropbox. Once the video is uploaded, you can share a link to the video through a text message or email. This way, the recipient can download the video in its original quality directly from the cloud service. Let's go through the steps for these solutions. First, using a third-party messaging app is straightforward. Simply download the app from the App Store, set it up, and share your video through the app. Most of these apps are user-friendly and allow you to send high-quality videos without any hassle. For the cloud service option, upload your video to a service like iCloud or Google Drive. To do this, open the cloud service app, select the video you want to upload, and follow the prompts to upload it. Once the upload is complete, you can generate a shareable link. Send this link to the recipient via text message or email, and they can download the video in its original quality. In summary, to fix blurry videos sent from your iPhone, avoid using SMS or MMS for video sharing. Instead, use third-party messaging apps or cloud services to ensure your videos are sent in high quality. These methods will help you share your videos without losing their clarity. And that's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching. Peace.